Good evening, friends. Today I had a patient saying that, doctor, why I'm having this itching, soreness, burning sensation in the private areas again and again. 2 months back I was having similar complaints and again I'm having this complaint. So she came, I checked her up and we found that she was having a fungal infection. So why these fungal infections are prevalent in this rainy season? In the rainy season, usually because of the increased humidity and the lack of the proper sunshine, the clothes don't dry well, and where usually patients are wearing half dried clothes or damp clothes, which leads to the growth of the fungus, especially in the private areas. Because of the warmth of the body and the moist atmosphere in that area, the fungal infection takes place. And this fungal infection is usually, this discharge is at this time is usually odorless, but it is thick curdy white discharge, just like a cottage cheese. And this discharge is odorless, but it causes the burning sensation, irritation, itching, and because of this scratching and all, the infection spreads to the other parts of the body also. And it is usually transmitted also during the act of intercourse. So what do we do to prevent this? First of all, it is when you're having these symptoms, you can't do the self-medication. Go to the doctor, get yourself examined and take the proper medication for the adequate period of time. And once you're treated completely, you should make it sure that you don't get these infections again and again. For that, you just have to do simple measures. After every act of visiting the washroom, always wash it with plain water. Maybe sometimes you can use the pH controlled vaginal washes which are available. That should also be used only once or twice a day, but most of the time you should wash with the plain clean water. And always dry that area, dry it from front to back, and wear cotton breathable clothes in the private areas. The undergarments should be cotton breathable, and preferably if you feel the wetness is increasing, change your undergarments. And these are the certain precautions: dry your clothes completely, change your undergarments, and maintain hygiene. Hygiene is the key, and the dryness is the key. If you do these things, you will not have these infections again and again, and take the proper course if you have this infection. So thank you.